Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're new here, I'm so glad you've joined us. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make your beauty routine even more effortless and precise. If you're someone who needs the perfect on-the-go mirror for touch-ups, travel, or just to add a bit of elegance to your routine, you'll want to hear about the Kintion Pocket Mirror. So let's talk details. The Kintion Pocket Mirror is a compact, folding, two-sided mirror with both 1x and 3x magnification, designed for those who need precision in their makeup or facial grooming. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around in your purse, handbag, or even your pocket. The added LED light is meant to replicate natural daylight, so you can get a clear, true color reflection no matter where you are. The best part? It has hidden magnetic power switches that control the LED lighting, which gives you a sleek, modern feel while keeping it simple to use. I've tested this mirror under several conditions: morning routines, makeup touch-ups, and even quick facial grooming during travel. And I have to say, the lighting makes a noticeable difference. It's not overpowering, but just bright enough to ensure you can see every detail clearly. The 1x side works perfectly for checking overall makeup, while the 3x side is ideal for precision, like plucking eyebrows or ensuring your eyeliner is sharp. Whether I was applying foundation or doing a quick lip check, the mirror delivered excellent results every time. Now, let's break it down. On the plus side, this mirror is extremely convenient. It's lightweight, compact, and fits effortlessly in my purse. The LED lighting works brilliantly in dimly lit areas, and I loved how easily the hinge allows the mirror to open flat at a full 180 degrees. The magnets that control the LED lights add a nice touch of sophistication. No more fumbling around for buttons. On the downside, while the mirror's overall build is solid, the lightweight plastic might not feel as durable as some high-end models. I also wish the lighting could be a little brighter in very low light settings. Is it worth the price? Absolutely. Given its portability, functionality, and the sleek LED lighting, this is a great value for anyone needing a reliable, travel-friendly mirror. It does exactly what it promises, and at this price point, it's hard to beat. You're getting two mirrors in one, plus that nice bonus of LED light. In comparison to other mirrors out there, many similar models often lack this combination of magnification options and LED light, making this a solid pick in terms of practicality. Some may offer higher quality glass, but if you're looking for something that's travel ready and gives you both clarity and light, this mirror ticks those boxes without breaking the bank. The build quality is good for the price. Nothing too heavy or fragile, just the right amount of durability for everyday use. I haven't had it long enough for long-term reliability testing, but it seems well constructed to handle regular use without issues. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out, but based on the product's overall presentation and the brand's reputation, I'm confident that any concerns would be handled with professionalism. If you're looking for something a bit more affordable but with similar functionality, I'd suggest checking out other compact mirrors with LED lighting, though many of them don't offer the same level of magnification or portability. To wrap it up, the Kintion Pocket Mirror is a must-have for anyone who's on the go or needs a sleek, reliable tool for makeup application and facial grooming. The compact design, LED light, and magnification options make it a solid choice for both everyday use and travel. While it might not be the absolute top tier in durability, it offers great value for the price. Before I let you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more honest reviews like this one. Got any thoughts or questions about this mirror? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback or experiences with it. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay beautiful inside and out. Until next time, keep shining with Beautyistic.